Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today we are here at Irwindale. We pulled up to an Origins meet, some page on Instagram that hosts meets out here at Irwindale. They have like drag racing, two-step competitions, like rev battles, drifting. I think they said like motorcycle stunt show and stuff like that. So right now we're waiting in line. The line was like hella long. But yeah, we're about to go in, so I'll pick up the camera once all the action starts. Hopefully it gets popping. Look at that, we got a sick G80 M3. That's 2K. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we actually get inside. All right, so we just pulled up and parked. Look at this thing. Sheesh. Crazy. Big old line. Sheesh. Fresh kicks. This car looks so sick in person. It's crazy. With the TEs. Then Finding Nick's GTR. It's badass.
That's the kind of run, well, runs like that is why we put the porta potty at the first turnout. All right, here we go. And the first side by Nick. Big motors singing as they go through the lights. It's the Lambo. 750 to a 754. Audi TT sports car. Ford's running best at 905. The Audi is 732. 676. Quickest lead. Additional ones in the safety lanes. All right, they come out and get ready to race. Thanks for coming out there for the prize good. Take you all into the darkness. Glad you could be here with us.
TTR, that thing is bad.
And Infinity, kissing cousin cars.
Sheesh, this one.
Luxury division.
Ooh, so clean.
There's a Skyline in Japan. Infinity here in
Sheesh. NA setup or boost? What do you guys think? This thing is sick. So sick. Sheesh. M54 on beadlocks. You know this thing's fast. Look at that. Oh, looks so sick. We got the Camaros over here. Look at that one. Oh, so nice. Sheesh. So clean. Must be nice. Clean 335 E90.
Just shaved off its previous 722. Mustang here in the right lane.
Jay. Sure. So sick.
The louder you get, the more smoke you get, ladies. Get those tires superheated and take on the Mercedes here in the right lane. First pass for the Mercedes, hasn't made a run yet. Got another hour on the clock to make runs, so if you're going to do it,
It's a Cobra Jet.
Mercedes, you gotta back it up just a bit. There you go. It was supposed to be a Panther. Then the GTR. Creating his own fog lamp. Challenger's fully staged. Toyota needs to move up in stage. There we go. Oh, too tight. No, back up in the other direction, Super. There you go. Keep going. A little more. A little more. Against the wind, goes 8:03 to a quicker 7:71. It was the whole shot that did it. At 99.9 miles an hour. On a solo pass, let's see what it does. Those 755 actually slowed down. Mustangs run the best of 8:14. It's the Mustang going 796 to an 830 for the.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. That was pretty sick. The burnouts, the donuts. I didn't get to see any of the two-step battles because I'm out. It's already like 8:40 something, and I got a long drive home, so I'm out of here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.